focus on that leak. This is the first time a full leak has happened with the Supreme Court. The last time there was a leak was in 2012, but that was after a decision had been made. So one big question, of course, today, who is responsible for leaking this draft? NewsNation's Tom Dempsey joins us now from the nation's capital. And Tom, only a small group of people even have access to that sensitive information.
Yeah, and we've been looking into that today. Experts use that word unprecedented to describe this leak. Now, this investigation likely begins by zeroing in on the staff for Supreme Court justices.
This has never happened in history. I mean, it's never happened.
On Tuesday, fallout from a leaked draft opinion from the Supreme Court overturning Roe v. Wade continued to rock D.C., with many asking, how could something like this happen?
This is an unprecedented leak, so I don't think there's a playbook for this.
In a statement, Chief Justice John Roberts called for an investigation, calling the leak a betrayal. Speculation swirled over who gave the highly secretive document to Politico before it got published late Monday night. NewsNation spoke to multiple experts who described how draft opinions circulate among a select group of people.
Any of the chambers would have had access to this draft opinion. All of the justices, all of the clerks working for the justices, potentially secretaries.
An investigation will now likely involve questioning many of those people and possibly overhauling the system over who can access the opinions and how.
Hopefully they put in place measures, whether it's technology measures or training measures.
For now, questions remain over why someone would leak the draft opinion, but if investigators find out their identity, they likely face a tough future.
I think it would drastically hurt that person's chances to get future employment in law. I think they would almost certainly be fired.
And one of those experts we spoke to actually used to be a law clerk for the Supreme Court, and he spoke about having to sign a confidentiality agreement when he worked there, protecting the documents and protecting the talks behind the scenes and describing those things as paramount.
All right, so Tom, what about potential charges here? Could the person face criminal charges if they are found?
The criminal charges, the experts we spoke to said criminal charges are unlikely in this case. But again, if this person is found and if they are, found to be a staff of one of the Supreme Court justices, they will greatly be blacklisted from any future law jobs. Nichole?
Oh, yeah, I would imagine. All right, Tom, thank you for that. Thank you for watching. Click the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.